I set it up as a access server, so I can get to my switches just by typing in the name. And let's see, I want to actually get into switch 2. And I'll just show you guys what I got going on. Nothing really going on with the. It's just a 24 port. Basically, all my all my switches are 3550 24 port switches. Right now, they're running the SMI image. I haven't converted it over to the EMI image yet, but I'm going to do that here soon. Anyway. So what I'm going to do is show you here pretty much how to connect to GNS3 to your real switches. And now right now I'm in my GNS3, my Dynamips server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my switch, switch 2, and I'm going to make a connection from switch 2 to my computer here, my server, and I'm going to bring up the network connections window, and what I'm going to do is just connect into one of my quad port NICs. I'm just going to connect into one of the ports, and I'm going to show you how you will know which port that you're connecting into. So what we'll do is we'll just go over to my lab. Now it's going to be kind of loud. I got a lot of equipment over here, so bear with me here while I do this. What I'm going to do, actually I can just put this down here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my switch number 2, and I'm going to connect. I'll just connect in port Fast Ethernet 10 to my computer, and then I'm going to show you guys how to look for that connection and how to set it up. So just give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's all I needed to do over there. So now what we're going to see is what we should see. Okay, there you go. What we should see here is you see local area connection number 7 here. It's saying that it's acquired a network address. That's the one that I just plugged into. So I got Fast Ethernet 010 from my switch 2 that's connecting to local area connection 7. So what I'm going to do here to help me remember what connections I got going on here is I'll just add on switch 2 FA 010. Basically this is just telling me, okay, I have this is the connection that I just plugged in, and as you can see here it says acquiring network address. So that's how you know. Just plug in one at a time is what I would advise people to do. Just plug in one port at a time. That way you can find out which port comes online as you do it. So we found out that local area connection 7 on my computer is now connected to switch 2 Fast Ethernet 010. So what I'm going to do now is I can go into GNS3 and I'll just bring up a router connection. We'll just say router 1 here, and I'm going to bring up the cloud connection. And what I can do, I can just change the host name. Like for this instance, I can just put switch 2 FA010 just to help me remember, you know, I can just put in here switch 2, and then what I'll do here now is show you guys how to set this connection up in GNS3. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to right click on switch 2 and go to configure,